Hi, readers! Today we're going to listen to a book called How Big, How Heavy, How Dense? A Look at Matter. This book is going to tell us all kinds of information that we can learn about matter. Let's get started. What is matter? Matter is everywhere in the universe. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Mass is the amount of material in an object. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. This bird has mass and volume. So does its nest. Matter can be living. Plants are matter. People are matter. Animals and bugs are matter. Matter can be non-living. Air is matter. Your favorite jacket is matter. Things you cannot see like air can be matter, but the sound of blowing wind isn't matter. That's because it doesn't take up space. Properties of matter. All matter has properties. Properties describe how matter looks, feels, or acts. Color, texture, shape and size, and weight are all properties. What are some properties of the sea star? Let's look at it together. The sea star is bumpy. It's brown and red. It's the shape of a star. Matter is sorted by its properties. Matter can be sorted by color. Look at the picture. The red apples and green apples are in different bins. So the community worker at this place must have sorted the apples by color. See, red, red, red. Green, green, green. Matter can be sorted by texture. This sandpaper feels rough, but the cotton at the top feels soft. Matter can be sorted by shape or size. Like clothes come in different sizes. Matter can be sorted by weight. These rocks on the left are heavier than the feathers on the right. Did you notice that the scale has the rocks going down and the feathers going up? It's going down because the rocks are heavier, and the feathers go up because they're lighter than the rocks. So you can sort matter by how heavy or how light something is. Matter can be sorted by density. That's how heavy something is for its size. A baseball is heavy for its size. It's very dense. But a ball of yarn is light for its size, so it's not very dense. Matter also can be sorted by what it's made of. The bottle on the right, this one right here, is made of glass. The bottle on the left is made of plastic. So you can sort objects by what they're made out of. Matter with certain properties works best for certain tasks. Would a flimsy or solid matter make a better floor for a treehouse? I think I would rather have solid floor for my treehouse. If it were made out of a flimsy floor, what would happen? That's right, you might fall through the floor if it were made out of something flimsy. Look at the picture. Would hard or soft matter make better stuffing for a pillow? What would you pick? Hard or soft? Did you say soft? Great job! Now, boys and girls, think about all the things you learned about matter in our book today. What I'd like you to do is tell your teacher 3 things you learned about matter. You're going to send a video to your teacher, and you can hold up your one finger for each time you tell something you learned, and you should tell 3 things you learned about matter today from the book. Go ahead and send your teacher a video using the Seesaw app or the Dojo app. Use the app that your teacher wants you to.